Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on extra dim feature on Samsung Galaxy A06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, extra dim settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type extra dim. You should see it appear in the list of results. Tap on the result that simply says extra dim under the display section. If you're not seeing it right away, make sure your phone is running the latest software version, as this feature may not be available on very old models. Step 4. From the search results. When you're inside, unfortunately, this mode is turned off. Step 5. For the last and most important step, tap the switch to enable extra dim mode. Your screen will immediately become dimmer than the lowest brightness level normally allows. You can also adjust the strength of the dimming effect with the slider right below the toggle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.